Buenos dias. It's Mega Money Monday, baby. And what better thing to wake up to, and what better thing can you possibly be doing for a ducking living, baby? I mean, think about it. Think about it. I get to wake up, and you in general, and everybody. I mean, every trader, I guess. So they get to wake up. We get to have our home office. We literally get to walk a few steps, and we can do this and make some money. It is just, I find it remarkable. I mean, I'm amazed. You know what I mean? What humans can do when we come together. It is beautiful. So I thank God for that. And I mean, yeah, let's get right into the chart. It is Mega Money Monday. And you know, on Mondays, what I'm going to say, Mondays can be choppy. Mondays can be kind of the dumpster fire. They can be, you know, that weird hangover Monday, if you will, for the market. And therefore, I kind of tend to take it very light on Mondays. The intention here, of course, is to make a trade if there is something that pops up and it's just too good to pass up on. So hopefully the market gives us something. But something I want to talk about here, that's a lot of somethings, Leo. Something. My goodness. So let me show you guys here. Actually, let me make sure I'm signed in here. All right. I want to discuss this. I want to show you. Because if I tell you, I mean, you might not believe me. But if I show you, you might believe me. So either way, it doesn't matter if you believe or you don't. But at the end of the day, Speed Racer 5 says, good morning, traders. GM. So let me show you this. This is what I posted up here yesterday on the community at 7:26 a.m. Sunday, pre-Sunday open. So it says this was resistance. Well, it says Friday on my live stream, we discussed the idea of the Jenga block that needed to fail in order to think short bias. This was the 35-32 magical level. This was resistance from Wednesday and Thursday. I explained in my mythology a little bit on the Friday stream. I don't know if you guys recall it, that the last layer that we reclaim is essentially the newest must hold the level for the market to continue trending on upwards. And well, it failed. So this is the bull bear line. This failed late day on Friday. Therefore, I'm thinking that the market wants down to test the major levels 61.14 to 11, and of course the big 61.04. I mean, I don't want to say it, but if you look at price right now, we're kind of getting stuck at the big 04. It's a magnet right now. So on the bull case is simple. Reclaim 31 to 61.32, 61.35. Build structure above it in order to get long. And pretty much just ride along to the all-time highs. This is exactly what I wrote here. And then look at this. Technical analysis keeps the guessing out for me, and it helps me understand where the wave ultimately wants to go. I will be looking to enter a trade at the market open. Thank you all. But I want to show you guys something. Look at this. Okay? And I know, you know, you're going to say it was not because of that. Maybe it's because of Trump. He's starting a trade war with Colombia. He's starting a trade war with Canada. You know, this is why the economy is not doing well or whatever. This is why we gap down. Like, the way I view the market is simple. The market wants to do certain things. Go lower, go down. You know, it bounces around, ping pong certain levels. Now, whenever Trump opens his mouth, or whenever you have numbers, which if you don't know, we have FOMC on Wednesday. I believe it's Wednesday. We'll double check. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, I think it's Wednesday. Big. Daddy Powell, I think, will be speaking as well. We'll double check that shortly, but this is just like throwing gas onto whatever the market ultimately wants to do. I don't believe that, you know, the market is doing everything entirely because of who the hell is calling me right now? Oh my god. So basically, we broke down here. Okay, we break this level down. You can see how we turn it into resistance. 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 So therefore, I'm thinking the choo-choo train wants down towards the 11 and 04 level. And I mean, it gapped down there, the prick. And that's just how it is sometimes. You know what? I could not make a trade, obviously, with that size of a gap to the downside there. But in the end, even if we had opened up here, the idea was to be looking for the short to the downside. So That's why I say that technical analysis keeps the guessing out, and it kind of keeps you ultimately on the right side of the wave. While I could have, would have, should have shorted right on Sunday yesterday. Looking at the hourly chart here, let me take these things out. Oh my gosh. Hourly chart, basically, choo-choo train just dumping right now. We're getting a little relief pop here right now. How much can it go? Well, we have the big 04 level here, which needs to start to reclaim in order for me to think that we could potentially push towards that 15 level. And then the 15 is going to be another key level that, I mean, I'll be watching here, but 15 is a lot of resistance there. So if we can reclaim those two levels, 04 and 15, which is where the ultimately my short targets were from breaking down this 35 here, we could be in for a little relief pop here. We do have a sizable gap here, which we can fill, of course. That would be very nice, but that's kind of the obvious setup here. So, we'll see what happens at the market open. The reason why I went through the whole speech there, what happened yesterday, this and that, is because it's important. We finally broke down, and on a technical perspective, it was choo-choo train wanted down. You know what I mean? Like, once it broke down 32.35, it wanted down. And this is not hindsight, me telling you wanted down. I wrote that message. I already read through the whole thing. This is what I sent out over on the community on Sunday before the market opened. Okay? I'm not talking hindsight, okay? So, all right, for now, let's focus here. Let's get back to the trading here. I mean, choo-choo train getting stuck here at 0204. I mean, right below 0204, I could take a potential short there, but we'll see what happens at the market open. We got this little X-Men here that could potentially kind of play out here. There's the X-Men right there. We'll see what happens at the market open. By the way, if you guys want to share your thoughts with me, where if you think the market is going to push up higher or lower at the open, feel free to let me know. Don't be shy. It's not all what I think. You know what I mean? Share your thoughts, your ideas. I want to hear it. See what you guys think. I was wondering, I'm like, why does it look so colory over here? I forgot my water. Now the prick calls me. I told him, call me earlier. Like, now you call me. Now I'm busy. Now I'm busy. I think there's a mosquito in my office right now. He's hungry. He's biting me already. I left the doors open to let the office air out yesterday. He must have gotten in somehow. Shit. Now I'm gonna get chewed up here. What a dump, though. I mean, you gotta love how this happens overnight. It doesn't happen during the day. It's like we just gap lower. Buenos dias, says Antonio. Buenos dias. Could have, would have, should have been short already from that magical 1350 up there. That was a previous all-time high there. We have a resistance sitting here at 0204. So for now, the market has a very simple kind of task for me to start getting long here, and that is reclaim those two levels there. If we can reclaim number one there, and if we can reclaim number two right here, well then, I could think that we could get that push on up here. The problem is that, this is still resistance. We could push up and get denied here. So be cautious here. For now, there's both ways of looking at it. This is what's beautiful about trading. Why isn't this thing? So option number one, the way I see it, is simple. We get denied here. We look for the move on down. Okay, which would make sense. It would make a lot of ducking sense. You know what I mean? This is resistance. We are breaking down. Trend is pointing lower. We have, just in general, continuation of the good old trend. And if the trend is pointing lower, resistance has to hold. That's key. Now, that is option number one. Option number two, in my eye, is, we could reclaim this level and then look for the pushback on up here. That's option number two. Fuck. Hold on, guys. Give me a second here. Sorry, guys. I had to take that. That was a pretty important call. We had to do something. But no more interruptions. Let's get into this. So this is option number two. We got the reclaim potentially, and then we look for that move on up there. Who's we, man? Stop saying that, Leo. I'm telling you, I talk to myself like there's three people inside. There's two at least. We got the bull, we got the bear. We got O2. What would you guys do here? I mean, if you had to pick. I know I'm bullish a lot of the time, so I'm gonna probably wait for that potential reclaim of that level and then look for the move on up here. But the question is, what would you do? Do you think that this is resistance now? We know this is resistance here. No big shocker, So can we get denied and go lower? I mean, that would be kind of the obvious simple trade, right? But then what I'm thinking is we also have the gap to the upside there. We've got some good potential to kind of fill that. But again, let's not chase the gap. Let's not go chasing the butterflies. Let's just wait for that nest to come to us of the butterflies. If we reclaim the 0204, I'm looking for the push back towards the 16. If we cannot reclaim 0204, well then this market should go down here and break towards that 83, 86 level down here at the bottom. Of course it can. I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm just being too bullish here. Like, I like this dip, like there's nothing wrong with this dip here. So, below 60.20, 94, then Titanic. I kind of agree with Antonio here. I gotta tell you, buddy, even your 60.20, when I read it on the community today, and I'm like, your levels are getting pretty good. Like that, I was thinking more towards that 15, 18 level, but right in the 20, you have a good argument as well. I mean, I'm at 16, 18, but nothing wrong with 20 as well. We could still drop. Even I'm again, just because I'm looking for the potential reclaim of 0204. I'm looking for this move here. It doesn't mean that we're not going to continue to dump, right? We could definitely continue to dump. We're just on little relief pop at the moment. But in a grand scheme of things, Antonio might be right on this. We could go all the way to the 20 right now and then get slapped there and head on lower. But why guess? Why gamble when we have the number one stock market indicator? None other than the Wheel of Fortune. You know how it works. You have best out of three. Green is for the pump. Red is for the dump. and yellow is for what I don't want, which is chop. Let's see. Best out of 3 wins here. All right, chop. No. Option number 2, pump. All right. Between chop and pump. Option number 3 is the pump. Unbelievable. Give me a second, guys. Whoa. All right. We got water. We have water. Yes. All right. Oh, not that one there. All right, so best out of 3 here. The pump won. The pump has won. We don't need to gamble. We don't need to guess. We can just buy because the Wheel of Fortune said to buy. All right, let's take a look and see if there are anything, any numbers, anything worth kind of mentioning here. Like I said, I think Wednesday's the big day. I don't really think we have too much leading up to that week. Let's find out here. $1 million question. What do we got? What do we got? All right, so today we pretty much are in the clear. Yes, we're in the clear. Nope, we're not. Let me see. Monday. We got, what do we got? New home sales in 33 minutes or 10 o'clock numbers. So we have 10 o'clock big numbers. We got Tuesday. Lots of numbers actually. All right, but I think Wednesday's the big day. Let me see. Bank of Canada interest rates. Let me see. So we got Fed rate interest rate decision on Wednesday, 2 o'clock. Okay. And then we have Daddy Powell speaking out 2:30. Of course, you know how it works. That is going to be the biggest day of volatility on Wednesday. You have been warned, and we'll be here for sure. I might stream that 2 o'clock numbers. It is, I like how, you know, that extra volatility comes in. All right, market looking like we're slowing down for now. The tilt, top step right now, 50 is 50-50. Insane. If you cut rates, market tanks. Yeah. We're going to find out. It's going to be interesting because now it's, you know, Trump is kind of the wild card. Well, look at, you know, just in general. You go to sleep and the man's starting a trade war with Colombia because they didn't want to accept some refugees or something like that. I don't know the whole story, but what I do know is that the man's a G though. I'm like, and what's wrong with Colombia too? Like they don't want to take back their own people. Like that's pretty messed up here. But anyways, the point is simple. Wednesday, big numbers. Fed rate. If he cuts the rate, is the market gonna tank? Is it gonna pump? I don't know. We'll follow the price. The price will tell us. They can't hide price, you know what I mean? They can hide a lot of news, they can hide a lot of things, but at the end of the day, one thing that we cannot dispute, that we cannot argue, is that the stock market right now is at the magical 6,000, right below 6,004. And that can never be hidden from us. All right, we got 6,000. What do I do here? We're getting the potential pump. Like I said, I'm not entirely bearish just yet. You know what I mean? We could get denied there, but I almost feel like Choo Choo Train wants to, you know, backtest that magical 20 level like Antonio was talking about there. We'll see. Get ready. The market's about to open up here in 1 minute, less than a minute. "45 seconds. All right, let's see here. We got 30 seconds. Oh, man, I'm tempted to take this long, but I gotta wait. It's Monday. I know I mess it up on Mondays. That's why I'll be patient. Let's take a deep breath. Okay. We got 10 seconds here. 10 seconds. Place your bet. Get ready. We're sounding like gamblers. All right. And 2, 1. And she's open for business. I'm going to give this a shot here. We could get stuck here at 04. I'm a little early on this, but I'm going to try it out. I'm going to go break even here already. Actually, no, I'm going to give it some space. I'm going to give it some space. Come on. Push, 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 baby. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's it. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Push it. Ducking, push it, baby. Let's go, baby. Give me those 10 points. Oh, my God. There we go. Pushing towards the fucking 15, 16. This is exactly why I'm like, I'm not entirely bearish just yet. You know what I mean? Like, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Oh my God, there she is. The magical 13 right up there, hitting the previous all-time high there. This is a level of resistance here, so watch out. Be careful there. We did talk exactly about this potential 04 reclaim, pushing towards that magical next layer of resistance sitting right up there. Simple setup here. 04 reclaims. It was pretty aggressive price action at the open. Starts to rally. Boom. There we go. And as mentioned, there's 2 key levels that need to recover in order for me to think that the choo-choo... Mother ducker, I took it early. Why am I so aggressive at the open? Fuck. Oh my God, look at her. Oh my gosh, look at this mother ducker, and I only got 10 points from that push there. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my God, what a boner candle. Talk about feeling short and then you get blown out there. It's why it's fucked up. Sorry, no bad words. Let's keep it PG, Leo. I know we're excited. We got the nice trade there, but you know, let's be respectful here. The point is the ducking choo-choo train wanted to go lower. You know, it's been trending lower overnight. But the problem is, you know, when the choo-choo train trends lower, everybody starts to kind of pile in short. And again, we have the good gap to the upside. We have some basing here right now. We get the 04 recover there, and then boom. Even this morning was just, I mean, what a beautiful trade there. Even at that 04 recovery there, it was just straight up there. No drawdown. Very simple trade. This is why it pays to be a bull, my friends. It pays. You only made 10 points. Fuck. All right, let's wait for a little pullback, and then I'll get back in long here. See why you don't trade the X-Men? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. If you trade this, like, look at that. You would have been fooled right there. You would have been getting short because we're breaking there to the downside. Meanwhile, like I said, price is king. You know, we get the 04 recovery, take the long. Sorry, I take the long. We get denied at 04, I'll probably get short. You know what I mean? The short, I'm not going to lie. Maybe I wouldn't, but the point is simple. Price is king. We got to just simply follow the price. What a trade. What a trade. That's why we were not bearish at the open. We were not ducking bearish. It doesn't pay to be a bear. It pays to be a bull, my friends. It pays. Buenos dias. I should just end the stream and walk away now. We have news in about 30 minutes. Yes, we do. We got 10 o'clock numbers, big numbers. But I got to tell you, I mean, that was the long right there. I mean, what a ducking trade. I got long 96 out of 14 held this time. Oh my gosh. Amazing hustler. Amazing. I'm improving with the taking profit part, and I guess you're improving with the holding. We're kind of helping each other. See, this is exactly why I love the free, 100% free Discord community we got going on over here. We help one another. We give each other ideas. We were bearish at the open on Sunday, and what did the ducking market do? It just went down. And then right now we were bullish on this thing, and it just went up. So for now, I'm happy with pretty much how we're reading this. Who's we, Leo? I'm happy about how I'm reading the market. I'm not happy with how we. Good job, Hustler. All right, we got a potential short here setting up here. Depends how aggressive you want to be, but who's you? I'm talking about me. Kind of smelling a little trappy up there right now. I'm not going to get short, obviously. I am not going to get short. I am simply going to wait for the back test and continuation of the good old trend. You know, it makes me sad to see that boner candle like that. The market doesn't just do this whenever I'm long. And today that I'm long, I take profit up here. Like, come on, I get long here. I take profit here. Look at the choo-choo train. Choo-choo train push so much higher. You got to follow price, though. You know, we took that. Who's we? I took this. I got to take profit here. Level to level, baby. We don't guess. All right, very simple right now. The bulls need to hold this 28 level here right now, but can they do it? I'm hoping we get a pullback towards that 1350 here. I like 1350 to get long here. But so far, choo-choo train not wanting lower. Are we going straight for the ducking gap fill? No, I don't think so. Right? We can't do that. I think we already filled it. What am I talking about here? No, not even close. What am I talking about? Gap fill. 61.27. Oh my God, we got a long way to go before we can even, you know. All right, let me fix this chart here. We got numbers at 10 o'clock. Do not forget. Big numbers at 10. I might just walk. I mean, no. We're not gonna walk. We're gonna stay here. There's another trade lining up here. Come on, just a little dip, baby. Just one little dip. One little dip here. Kind of feels like the easy move is already done here. I'm checking. I'm like, that's a beautiful entry on Hustler's part there. 96. I'm not gonna lie. I probably wouldn't have taken that 96, but it held. Look at how nicely that 96 held there. What a beautiful entry there. That's the entry of the day right now. All right, so Choo Choo Train wants to continue going higher here, of course, but I want to get long, just not here. Perhaps when we get the numbers, we get a fake out to the downside, and then we can continue pushing. We do have resistance here at the 32 currently. Again, I am not going to show resistance. I feel like a commentator, that's all. I'm not taking that short. Just, you know, this could be a little speed bump here for price. We shall see, or it might just recover and continue pushing. When I speak like that, you know, I'm not saying for me to get short. I'm just simply saying, like, you know, just, I don't know. I don't know why I'm saying. If I were looking for a short, maybe the 50. Maybe the 50 here. And again, it doesn't. What I would love to see for me to get short is basically a little pop and a little drop. We could have it here too. I mean, if again 3 to 5 points, it would squeeze right back below the range there. That's what I would look for. Right now, 32. We got the 36 there. We got numbers. In case you don't know where to get numbers from, I like this one personally. It's called investing.com. You can see they even give you like star ratings. You can have 1, 2, 3 different layers of volatility, 3 being the most. Hold on a second. The setup kind of left me already, but you can see here, we get a little pop right through that level. We get the drop right back into the level right there. 3 to 5 points. We got to 32 towards that 36. My stop would be at break even already just because of how strong the market is rallying right now. But there's a potential short entry right there. The market just spoke it out there. I am not shorting it. I am not shorting this level. I am nowhere near thinking that I'm going to take a short. I'm hoping that we get a little pullback, you know. We got one trade in for the day so far. Beautiful entry at the bottom, at the open there. Again, it is Monday. I take it easy on Mondays, you know what I mean? I take it easy. One trade at a time, baby. One trade. And again, you can see we talked about it. Before price got there, we said we'll see how price is going to react here. You can see how it became a speed bump for price. Speed bump. This is what a speed bump looks like. I'm not saying we're going to dump and crash, you know, and come back down towards maybe a 4. If it wants to, fine, right? Like it's... The point is just to know where to take profit, to know where to get in, and, you know, just understand that where price could have some hiccups. But not understanding at all, that's where the problem comes in. So we got on top step tilt. There's 63% long currently. 37% are short. It was a 50-50 at the open. And, I mean, it's less short now because they all got blown out of the water right there. I mean, I don't see the short there, but... And this is why the X-Men doesn't work. Look at that. You would have been fooled here into taking that short because we broke down this magical whatever ducking trend line there. But yet... We fail, we recover. Like, it's just, it's too much ding dong with this X-Men, you know, with this thing here. But I guess the point is simple. Price is king. Follow the price, and you'll know where price wants to go. Speed bump right there again, hitting 32, getting stuck there for now. All right, Choo Train, let's get down here, and let's get back testing that 16 level, perhaps. So like that we can, who's we? So like that I can take it long maybe. And yeah, let's go back over here. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. All right, so in case you don't know where to get numbers from, it is investing.com. It is my best place here where I like to see the numbers. We got new home sales coming out in 16 minutes. You have been warned. By the way, something I want to also bring up here over on the Discord community. I don't know how to block out people's names here, but I did get a personal message yesterday from somebody because they are trying to use my name and basically, I don't know, something to do with money, like for you to invest in an opportunity where you're gonna get like 30% returns or 50% returns. I'm never ever gonna ask you for money, okay? I'm never ever gonna send you any personal messages to begin with, unless like I personally like might know you, like I message sometimes certain people, but like it's gotta be, again, I don't, certain people, and it's not gonna be just anybody, right? So I'm never gonna ask you for money. I don't have any investing opportunities for you. I am not a financial advisor. I will never ever ask you to donate for anything to anything. So save your money. In fact, let me know and report them, please. I will never do that. So just wanted to kind of bring that up here because, you know, I don't want. It's funny. Like if I showed you guys the message here, they even use my little slogan. They use Buenos Dias. I'm like, oh my gosh. Let me see if I can bring it up here. I just don't know how to cover their name. Look at this. They even use Buenos Dias. They took my picture, these pricks as well, and they use Buenos Dias. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Thank you to that member, by the way, for letting me know and reporting them as well. Buenos dias, Marcel. We already nailed this trade at the open here, so now I'm going to sit tight for the numbers to come on in at 10 o'clock. We got 15 minutes for them. It pays to be a bull, baby. Again, price is getting stuck here. No real coincidence or surprise. I don't expect this level to continue holding, though. First time around, fine. Second time around, it's lower probability. This was it for the Bears right there. We'll see. Price is king as long as we're below this level for now. We're continuing this little pullback here. Right now, looking like a little P here, I gotta say. We are looking like we're building a little P. I want to get long. I want to get back in long. It's just we got numbers coming out here very soon, and I really, really would like a more like a 1350 entry or a 20 entry maybe. Come on, Choo Choo Train, come down just a little bit. You know what I mean? If we can come down here, that would be nice. I'm hopeful, but we'll see. We shall see. I went to the beach yesterday. It was so nice there. So beautiful. Mother Nature's a beautiful thing. The heat, I love it. So thinking back that thinking that I gotta go back to Canada in that snow and that cold, and it's not the same. Makes me sad. Sad but excited. The future. All right, we're getting 32, trying to recover there. Very interesting. We got a little P there forming. I think we do have a P here, but got a little P. We got 35% short right now on top step tilt at 28. So they just enter short here. They're already getting blown out of the water. My goodness. Like if you're going to short, like why not short here, at the top of this? Like why get short here? No? I don't know. Getting stuck at the 32 there again. Unbelievable. This level of resistance holding out there. Like I said, I'm waiting for the numbers. We already nailed the trade at the open, so I am under no rush to get in back in long here. Timber. I don't know, Antonio. They've recovered that 20 level. You even mentioned it over on the Discord community. We recovered that level. You know, I gotta stick with price. I want to get long, but I don't really love getting long here. Not at resistance. Yeah, if I was gonna short 33, 35 level. But I think I'm done after that trade. I know, I'm telling you. See, this is where it's hard. Like, once you already nailed the trade, like, why push it? You know what I mean? This is... Why push it? But we'll see. We got 10 o'clock numbers. I'm just messing up. Right now, I have no idea. Well, I appreciate the honesty. Until not anymore. I agree. They are. Mondays are, I'm telling you. That's why Mondays I take it so lightly that it is unbelievable. We're getting stuck here yet again. Should I be sure here? Should I be sure at that 32 level there? Price getting stuck there for now. I just don't like how we're consolidating here. We could be flagging out here for another potential push up. Push up. I want the dip, but I don't think I want to look for it. You know, I don't want to get short here expecting the dip. If it comes in, great. You know, I'll get long. This is where I want to be trading at. Like when the dip come in, and then I can buy the dip. But for now, I don't feel comfortable shorting the choo-choo train. Too much strength out of the gates. We have still, you know, sold off quite really hard overnight. So we could easily still squeeze up before continuing to the downside here. Market in a consolidation pattern right now, waiting for the numbers. Is my price stuck here? Is your price at this price? Right now, based on this, it is 951 here and 56 seconds. Why does my price look stuck? All right, we got another little X-Men building here right now. We have the potential breakdown there, and we do have this kind of breakout, I guess, if you will. X-Men. Go. Can it go all the way to the ducking 50 here? Come on, pull back, yes. Don't be mean. I mean, we're basing right above 32 now here. Wow. I don't know. It right now here I have no edge. You know, we could easily rally towards that 50, but at the same time, I mean, kind of look like it wants to get stuck here too. When in doubt, stay out. Whenever in doubt, stay out. I like that motto. I like it. Come on, Choo Choo Train. All we gotta do is pull back a little bit. Just a fucking little bit. 15 points would be nice. All right, we got new home sales numbers at 10 o'clock. I'm waiting for the numbers. We already nailed the trade at the open here. As mentioned, I mean, there's no need to be bearish just because we dumped overnight. In fact, it's good that we've dumped overnight. It creates extra volatility in the market. I am not shorting the ducking choo-choo train here. No way. But for now, price is getting stuck here. And if you're not there, I mean, I don't want to say, you know, I knew it, but I did mention that choo-choo train likelihood wanted lower from that breakdown. Yes, I know that people were going to say it was because of Trump and because of the trade war with Colombia or whatever, or because of, you know, some bad numbers that are coming out. Whatever the reason is, it doesn't really matter. What in the end matters for me is very simple here. This level broke down, which is the level from Wednesday and Thursday. Therefore, as I mentioned here, at 7:20 yesterday, Choo Choo Train wanted lower. Did I short it? No. It gapped down. It was such a massive gap to the downside. How was I going to short it? And then I was pissed off. I saw it at the beach. I'm like, I'm not even going to bother with this thing. All right, all right. Coming back down here below 32 for now. Numbers in 5 minutes, 4 minutes. All right, all right. Let's see if we can get our second trade here with the numbers when they come on in. For now, basing here. I would love to see if maybe we can break down all these lows here. Maybe get one little bounce from down here and something like that. For now, Choo Choo Train just wanting to continue to rally here. I don't know. This is such a difficult area here. The safer is the long, though. The safer is the long. Like I said, I'm just going to wait for the numbers. I think Choo Choo Train ultimately wants to go up. But if we can get a nice little dip before the rip, that would be amazing. Oh. I don't know. I would like this 32 long here, but numbers are coming. What a difficult decision here. Coulda, woulda, shoulda taken the long down here at the 32. We'll see. We already nailed the trade at open. We don't need to do anything stupid here, Leo. I know Choo Choo Train probably wants to go up, but to me, the safest is the short. I don't know, maybe. You could be right. This is why I'm saying, it's a very difficult spot here for me right now, the way we're basing here. I would... But my data told you to confirm. Yeah, like... it could go either way, you know what I mean? Like, I would just kind of stick with the trend for now. I think, obviously, market being pretty straightforward at the open, giving us the hint there that it wants to push back up. But... for the trend to the upside, got broken really hard. It did, but on a big scale, I think we could still be pushing higher. I don't know yet. For now, we'll see. Let's focus on here for now. I don't know. It could go either way. If I was gonna be long, I should have been long at the 32. Like I said, I'm waiting for the numbers before I do anything. What a gorgeous trade at the open there, though. I think the easy money is kind of over now. Now it's gonna get more complicated here. 63% are long right now on top step at 31. I kind of like that entry as well. I'm gonna give it up to them today. By top step, I'm not talking about Top Step TV. Let's get that clear. I'm talking about the tilt. The tilt. I watched the tilt. All right, numbers are about to drop. This is your final warning. Probably, don't get into a position ahead of numbers. I'm not giving financial advice. You do whatever you want, I guess. I'm gonna wait. Personally, we got 10 seconds. Hopefully, we get the dip, then the rip. Do not just go up. Do not just go up, please. Do not just go up. Don't 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 just. Wait. 3 week after the trend breaks. I'm not really sure right now. This it sold off pretty hard, much worse than like I said, I thought it would go lower, but not this ducking hard either. Come on, baby, come on. Come on, baby. Come on. So far muted. It doesn't really look like it did anything. What were the numbers? Let's take a look at the numbers here. The numbers say that new home sales, what? What do you mean 15 minutes? It was at 10 o'clock, was it not? Yeah, new home sales, okay, 698 versus 669. I don't know what that means, if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I'll be honest with you, okay? Being honest. All right, should I take this 32 long here? Should I take it? But she dump is too new. It is. We'll see how the market reacts here. All right, 32 here. I don't know about taking this long here. Oh my god. I like 16 better. I like 16 better, guys. Numbers didn't make any reason to go up more. I think so. I don't know. Oh shit! It's like because I'm expecting a little pullback. I would love to see price return back towards that 2016 level, but ugh. We're recovering 32 here. It seems like a very aggressive long, but at the same time, I don't really want to short this strength either. Holding 32 there for now. I don't know, man. I don't know. Plus, price right now is moving slowly. Come on, it couldn't pull back. Let's just pull back so I can get in along the safer level here. All right, breaking down 32 there right now. Very nice. Good thing I did in long here. For now, we'll see. Come on, I would love to see that 20 level, or like we can take out these guys here. That would create a nice liquidity grab. If we can kind of something like that. Let's take a look at a little bit of a bigger time frame so we can get a little more of a clear read here. For now, kind of forming that V. I'm telling you, I like that. For me, I like this level here much better. 19 could be another one there, but I kind of like it to see. We'll see if they can hold it there. I could have gone some nice, decent shorts with a 33, 35. I'm telling you, yes, like this is speed bump. This was a speed bump, always has been. We discussed it before price even got there. This is what a speed bump in general kind of looks like. Obviously, I didn't short. I'm not gonna short a level of resistance, guy. That's keeps on hitting. You know, it's just it does. For me, it's a little difficult to do that. But at the end of the day, we got choked up here at the level at the speed bump. No need to guess where price will get choked up here. Could it have continued to rally? Absolutely, but you know, the market kind of needs to breathe as well. So I would love for it to come on down here and take a long, but we're working our way. So the setup could come to fruition here. The good trade is the hard trade, the patient trade. I almost FOMOed there at the 32 there long, but I kind of listened to myself there, and I'm like, no. For now, there is an argument here for a short at over at the 32. We've attempted to kind of break above their price, kind of choking here. We're back below here. So there is an argument here for a potential short because we're back testing the top side and we can continue going lower. So that's the argument there for the short. You know, I'm not going to take it, but there is an argument there for a short. Right now, looking at the tilt, top step tilt, 48% are long from the 29, and shorts are at 29 as well. I don't know how they always are in at the same price. It's basically 50-50 right now. So 50% are being winners right now, and 50% are being losers. It's literally 50-50. All right, come on, Choo Train. I want to get long, man. I want to get long. Just come on down a little bit more. I don't know. I want to get long. I still think there's more upside to this. I think we ultimately want to backtest that 50 level up here, 49. Up there, we'll see what happens, you know, if we can return back on down, but... Oh, man. Oh. Come on. Squeeze up, baby. Squeeze up. Squeeze up. Or else I'm going to take it out and wait for that further retracement here. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go. Let's get pumping. Let's get pumping. Getting stuck here for now. All right, she's coming back down here. Probably perhaps a little aggressive there on the long there. I should have just waited for my level, the 20 level. So we got the second trade in here. I think I almost feel like the easy trade is done here, but still have one more trade we can make here. We nailed that one at the open. Giving back 3 points here for now. I thought that, you know, maybe we would recover this level here. Kind of, because we kind of have some structure here now. So we could recover, you know, maybe hold that 32. We can continue pushing towards that 50 level. But the market has other plans for now. It wants to chop around here. Just thinking shorts are the most easygoing trades. I don't know. I think the ultimate, I just gotta be patient. I gotta wait for that drop, the recover, take out these guys, all of them. I would like to see all of these guys out because anybody who got in long, their stops are right under. That would be the ultimate kind of setup here for me. I still think Choo Train went up, but all right, let's see. We got 32 potential recover there. Below 25, might see 0904. I think my entry there was just a little late, a little aggressive there. I want to get long here again, but it looks like we're kind of choppy here for now. I do think that ultimately that 32 recovery could trigger a long back on up. But the question is, which one is it going to be? Maybe I should wait for some candles to kind of close up there above. Trying to recover here again. Am I really going to do this? Should have just fucking longed that 28 there. I'm going to wait. I should wait for some candles to close above that level there. This is the aggressive long here. I don't know. I'm gonna give it one more shot here. Let's see if we can recover and squeeze. Good longs might be at the low of day. I think my entry's just my entry's rough there. Fuck. Oh, Mondays. Okay, we'll see. I'm gonna wait. Giving back some profits here. Some stupid late long there. But the thing is, I feel like we're gonna recover this level, and this is the problem. Maybe I'm trading my feeling here. I think we're gonna recover there and ultimately go up towards that 50. My entries there are just late. My stops are too tight. Getting chopped around here. In hindsight, I should have longed down here, but no, getting chopped around here. Fuck. Beautiful trade at the open, and then I'm giving back some profits here. We gotta stay green though. We're still green. We're gonna maybe try to push this thing. One more trade here. Got 26. We're coming down here finally. Come on, let's break these wicks. Come on, ES. Break these wicks. Break it, break it, break it, break it. Come on, break them. Oh, come on. Break the freaking wicks. I want to get long down here, but come on. Show me the trap. Come on, baby. Come on down. Come on down. All right, she's not really wanting to come down here, so I'm going to put my stop along with every other person there. There we go. There we go, baby. Don't get stuck there at the 32, please. I'm going to go break even already here just to protect my gains on the day. Come on, baby. Come on. There we go. We're going to hit 32 there. Getting stuck again. Come on, you mother ducker. Go for it. Go for it. Go, Choo Choo Train. Break that 32. We squeeze towards that 50. Come on. You know you want it, baby. You know you want it. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Go, go, go. Oh my God. Motherfucker. And this 32, man. What a pain in my ass today. Break even. Ugh. Ducking 32, man. What a 32 there. Holding like a champ. Now I want to get in a little lower if we can push lower. We need a liquidity grab. We need to sweep these candle lows. I think that's what we're probably... That would be the best. If we can sweep those lows and come back on up, that it would be the ultimate thing for me. But look at this mother ducker. Just broke me even. Now we're going back towards the 32. No. Oh my God. Why did I go break even? All right. I'm going to try one more time, man. One more time. Got to stop here right at the lows there. But too big of a stop there. No. Put it right under that wick there. Man, I'm giving back the profits from the morning. How quickly my day turned around here. Fuck. My gosh. There we go. The one setup I was actually waiting for is it's happening now. This is the only time I should have been getting long. Now I got suckered into the long here. My stop got taken there. I had the... This is perfect for Mondays. This is a perfect representations for me on a Monday. Like, impatient, too aggressive, you know? It's not Friday. All right. Getting towards that 22 here. Let's just take out these guys. One more. Let's take them out here. Come on. Go grab their stops. If I get long here, my ducking stops are right here. And, you know, they're going to probably take it again. Come on, baby. A little bit more. Come on. Go grab their stops. All right. We kind of grabbed it by a little tick here. Not too much. But I'm going to take that long there. Hopefully we can get a bounce here. We haven't still grabbed the stops. We haven't grabbed them yet. I'm kind of worried here. If I'm a little early on this. Come on, baby. Come on. Go to the train. Go to the train. Selling coming in at that 25 mentioned. Let's see. Let's see. Try to just take this lousy 3 points. Come on, the Bulls need to hold this level here. Look, if I get stopped there, I'll be break even on the day. And that will be a perfect representation for me on Mondays. Too aggressive, you know, right idea at the open and then not walking away, sticking around, giving back some profits there. So come on, this thing needs to work here. We need to work. It needs to work. And stopped. All right, so we nailed the trade at the open, and then we give it all back, basically, right inside these moves here. That's Monday, in a nutshell. Oh my gosh, are we actually doing this now? Yes. Now we have taken the stops, and of course, that was part of the stop taking there. We reclaimed it there. I'm gonna try one last time, and then I'm walking away. Gonna go red on the day if I get stopped there, but I like how we dropped there. We recovered that 20. I like it. This is exactly this should have been the only trade that I should have taken today after the original opening trade. If it gets stopped, that's fine, but this is the only trade because we have finally taken out all the longs here. We dropped, we took the stops, we recovered that level. This is the only trade in my eyes that I should have taken here after the original one at the open. So this is a good lesson for me to just stick with my mother ducking plan. When you don't follow the plan, you give back profits. I said it here. I'm like, I want to see all these guys get taken out because, the market's going to hunt their stop. It just hunted everybody's stops here. And this is exactly what I should have been waiting for. Again, if it gets stopped, it goes lower, fine, but at least now there is some reason for me to take this long here. Before I was being too aggressive. You know what I mean? It's a bear flag. I don't know. I gotta watch my downside here. I definitely don't want to go red on the day. Now I'm back to square one. I need the life of a trader. Come on, baby. That wick was kind of ugly there. Ugh. Bumby. Holding 20 there for now. My dear. My hope, dear. Lions beware. Hello, truth here. Bum, bee. There's lions, beware. Bum, bee. I don't want to say it. I don't want to say it. Mother duckers! I'm telling you, this market is rigged. They want your stops. They got my profit back. But now they give it back to me. Look at this. This is nothing but a liquidity grab. I fucking... Oh, Leo. You gotta listen to yourself, my friend. Be patient. Be patient, my friend. Look at it. We talked about this. All this, the market wants the liquidity. They want to grab the stops. What the duck did they just do here? They just grabbed the stops of everybody here. I should be taking profit at the 32 here right now. But I think we're probably going to take this fucking 32 and go towards the ducking 50. And you know what the final part of the market? This is the final part. Guess what they've done here? They've left the stops of all the shorts right here. And guess who's about to go grab it right now? The mother ducking bulls, baby. Squeeze it for Papa here. Squeeze it for Papa. Look at that. Look at this shit. What did we say? What did we ducking say? Yeah, baby. Let's go, baby. Push it. Let's ram these mother duckers. Let's go right through that fucking 32 right now. Come on. Come on. Don't get stuck anymore at 32. Come on, baby. Come on. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Come on, come on. Just go. I don't even want to look. I'm thinking about taking profit and getting back in long. We'll see. Come on, baby. Come on. A little bit more. 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 Replay this song. Replay it. 33. There we go. Let's fucking go, man. What did we say here? Give me that. I don't even care if it goes anymore. Oh my god. Yeah. If you're not excited about what the duck you do, oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. Let me catch my breath here for a second. This is perfect for me. I use this as a journal, okay? So there are 3 parts of a trap. There has to be 3, okay? 3 parts. This is part number 1 right here. The illusion right here. We need stops. So anybody who's shorting here, where's their stops? It's gonna be here. Anybody who's short here, their stops are somewhere around here. Anybody who's shorting here, you know their stops are above here. So this is part number 1. The market is artificially creating these levels of resistance at this point. We have part number 2 right here. The market continues to grind up slower to the upside, leaving these guys stops. You know their stops are going to be here, 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 here. So what does the market say? Well, we're going to go get everybody. We're going to come here, take out the stops, even of these guys. And I said it here. I want to see everybody get taken out. All these guys, I want them out. This is exactly what I said. I want to see a little drop below there, reclaim that low there, and then look for the long. This is exactly what I said. And that's exactly what happened. But I was too impatient here at the 32. I got played. But it is what it is. It's Mondays. You guys get to see it all unfiltered, right? But step 1, leave those stops from the shorts. Step 2, take the stops from the longs. And step 3, anybody who was FOMOing short here, anybody who's FOMO short here, where are their stops? They're going to be, if you shorted here, you know their stops are right here. Stops are here. They're back inside of the range. So when we recover here quickly, I know instantly the trap is set. We've taken out these guys. We're going to take out the FOMO people. And then last but not least, anybody who's short from here earlier is about to get taken out. And that's what creates the greatest game of mother ducking, ping pong, and Jenga that you will ever play. And it is right here. That's it. It's gonna go. I took profit early. It's gonna fucking go to that 50. Bum, 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 bee. Bum, 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 bee. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's fucking beautiful. Look at this thing. It's about to rip through the stops. Look at it. Everybody just got taken out right there. Everybody. And where are we headed? Towards the ducking 50. Good job, Leo. Fuck. Good job, man. Good job. A little impatient, a little aggressive. Yes, I'm not perfect. You know, I what can I say? I duck a lot. I duck around, I find out. You know what I mean? You don't follow the plan, you don't do good things. And the funny thing is that I was here sitting down telling you guys, I want to get along when we break these guys. I want all of them to get taken out here. I want all of them to get taken out. And you know what I mean? Like, I don't follow my own plan. That's what's sad sometimes, you know? Like, I should have made 2 trades today, which were the one I did at the open, okay, and then the second one right after the trap. That's it. 2 trades, plenty. Instead, I'm here trading at the ducking 32. You know what I mean? But there's always that, like, I don't know. What can I say? Nice trade. Thank you. Beautiful trade. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. We're going towards that 50 here. Kind of late now. Why did I take profit again? I don't know why I took profit. I should have just waited. I mean, these guys were obviously going to get taken out. What a beautiful, beautiful trade. We did it all today. What a wild ride. We went from the green. We went to break even. To back to the green. Oh my God. What a wild, wild ride. And this is why I say it's she's wild. She's rough. She does not play easy on Mondays for me. She doesn't make it easy. There we go. Continuing to push. I will not be shorting this thing, not even with a 10-foot pole, okay? This choo-choo train wants the 50. What's sad is that I took profit. Why didn't I get long heavier? I should have been adding over here. You guys have just witnessed the trap. I'm telling you, they do it. These pricks, I don't know why they do it. I don't know why, but they do it. You gotta leave taking profit early to me. Hey, I mean, I was up already, like, what was I up? Like 12, 14 points on that trade. I'm gonna take it, you know? Especially considering that we were getting stuck there pretty heavily at the 32. But you guys saw it. This is the trap right here. Artificial creating resistance. Support that has been created. They take the stops from the longs. They take the stops from anybody who's FOMOing short. When we squeeze back up. And then last but not least, these guys get taken out. They are already out. And that is the fuel that the market uses to continue to rally and to go in this direction. This is it. This is it, guys. This is the trap. This is it. It's a liquidity grab. Remember, they want your stops. You know what I mean? Like, and I'm not saying my stop, you know, like not a little 3-point stop. They want to, like, they need masses. The masses to get short at a certain level. They need the masses to be buying at a certain level. And then take them all out and use their contracts for fuel liquidity. There she goes towards the 50 there. What makes me sad is that I'm not long. But in the end, like I always say, you can screw up a lot. But if you can understand where the market wants to go, you can understand where the wave wants to go, you will ultimately be a winner in the end. Beautiful, beautiful trade. I think I'm done. I'm definitely not going to push it. Once green, stay green. I broke that rule today and I got back in the green. So now I am definitely not going to trade anymore. I'm going to lock this thing out. I am done for today. This is enough. Enough of a roller coaster ride for me. I love it. I love this ducking game. If you're not there and you're interested in a 100% free community, well then, there is one. You are in luck. And we talk all day long there about different levels. Boom. It's right there. I took one trade today. Nice. That's how should be, I guess. But I kind of broke the rules today. You guys saw it all. I did it all today. But in the end, we came out on top, and that's what counts, baby. So I'm going to stay on top. Look at that. We're pushing towards the 50 there. Big magnet at this 50 level there. And going back to Antonio's point, I mean, on a grand scheme of things, we did have a massive dump. You know, I'm not claiming that we've bottomed or that we're not going to go back and lower. I'm not claiming that we're going to go back to the bottom or to the top. What I'm saying is the market loves to do two things. It likes to dump after it breaks down a major level of support, and then it loves to squeeze back up. It's how the market moves. You won. That's what matters. Yes. So I'm going to stay green. I'm going to listen to myself now. I'm going to walk away. I would like to personally thank you all. I did not believe on the regain, but the 20 hold. Yep. That's perfect right there. This is the trap right here. Right there. At least my 20 level is good. Yeah. Your 20 level is definitely good. I don't know if you took that long there, but my gosh, what a bounce from that 20 so far. Pushing almost towards the 50 there. Almost 30 points there. So I want to personally thank you all for tuning in. It is Monday, and I mean, you guys are here, so thank you. There is a free community that we all talk every single day about ES mainly, but I mean, if you want to talk about something else, you can. Not a big deal. If you want to talk about NQ, whatever else, it's fine. No trading. All right, then. I'm going to leave you guys. I appreciate it. I will be back here tomorrow at 9:10 in the morning for Wild Tuesday. I mean, this is Mega Money Monday, but I mean, it felt wild today. So I'm going to walk. Peace. Thank you. Don't fade the bull, you know? Don't fade him yet. It's still not the right time yet, I think. Soon potentially there could be some shorts, but not right now for me. I don't really see this as a short. Even if we pull back here, I mean, in the end it'll be just a little micro pullback. So don't go chasing the short just because we're rallying now. Now we've done the trap. We could continue to push much higher still. We'll see. So I'm gonna walk. Thank you all.